Next, I am going to explain average atomic mass. You have learned about mass number of an atom. It is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons in that atom. Here you can notice one thing. Mass number of an atom is almost equal to its atomic mass, but not exactly equal. It is almost equal to atomic mass. For example, hydrogen atom is having an atomic mass of 1 U or 1 AMU, and hydrogen's mass number is also 1 because hydrogen has 1 proton and it has no neutron, so its mass number is 1. But atomic mass of hydrogen is not exactly 1. When we look the accurate atomic mass of hydrogen, it is equal to 1.008 U. Similarly, carbon atom, it has a mass number of 12, 6 protons and 6 neutrons. But its atomic mass is 12.011 U. That is the exact value of atomic mass of carbon. But it is almost equal to its mass number 12. So, mass number and atomic mass are different, but both are almost equal. Note down that. When we look the atomic masses, decimal points are coming in the values, right? Atomic masses are fractional for many elements. For example, chlorine. Chlorine has an atomic mass of 35.45 U, which is a fractional value. How does it come? Actually, this chlorine has two stable isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37, with atomic masses 34.9689 U and 36.9659 U respectively. Actually, if an atom is having isotopic forms, we have to calculate the average atomic mass of that atom by considering the abundance of different isotopes in nature. As we are taking the average atomic mass, decimal points may appear in the atomic mass values. I will explain this using the case of carbon. Let us calculate the average atomic mass of carbon atom. The relative abundances and atomic masses of various isotopes of carbon are given below. From this, we are going to calculate the average atomic mass. We know that average value of something, that is equal to sum of all items divided by total number of all items. So here, by considering the relative abundance, we can find the sum of atomic masses, and number of all items will be the total abundance, that is 100%. So if we follow this equation, the average atomic mass will be equal to 12 into 98.892 plus 13.00335 into 1.108 plus 14.00317 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 10 whole divided by 100, and that will be equal to 12.011 U. So this is how we are finding average atomic mass. So, since many elements are existing in different isotopic forms, we have to take into account the existence of different isotopes of these elements, and we have to give importance for their percentage of abundance, and we have to calculate the average atomic mass. So, decimal points may appear in the atomic masses of different elements.